How to add Walmart Mastercard as payee. Follow the instructions. Log into your online banking account. Find the Bill Pay or Payee Management section. Click Add New Payee or similar option. Type Walmart Mastercard in the Payee name box. Look at your Walmart Mastercard statement for payment details. Enter the billing address exactly as listed on the statement. Provide your Walmart Mastercard account number. Recheck the account number for accuracy. Save the payee details to your account. Select Walmart Mastercard from your payee list. Enter the payment amount you want to send. Pick the payment date that works for you. Review all payment information carefully. Confirm and submit the payment setup. Thank you for watching.